I'm Natasha Weston from Talent Search Cymru, finalist from formerly known VOTV. I was in season 15 and reached the final, which was absolutely amazing, changed my life, if I'm honest. My advice to you guys is, because I've been watching them, you're all absolutely amazing. My advice would be to you is be yourself and try and handle those nerves when you are on stage, which I struggled massively with at the beginning. But Joey and the team is there to help you with that. They helped me massively. And the other bit of advice is the songs you already know and the songs that you love, try and change them a little, strip things back and just play, just have a play with your voice and what adapts to you, because that helped massively with me. I took Dance Monkey, for example, which is a very upbeat, happy song. And I actually changed it to an acoustic version, which stripped it so back that it actually sounded quite haunting and had a different feel, totally different feel to the original. So yeah, if you have a little play around a bit, try different genres, keep doing what you're doing because you all sound absolutely amazing. And yeah, you can't go wrong, honestly. Joey and the team are absolutely amazing. So they will help you in anything that you have any issues with. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching my video as well. That's going to be linked after this. And yeah, have fun, guys. Have fun. Have fun.